Hi, I'm Grace, Kilo Echo 3 Golf.
And I'm Hope, November Delta 2 Lima.
And welcome to HamRadio.World.
We've been working on our new goal box here, and one of the things it's made for is field operations and emergency communications. So let's say you take this to a hurricane and you're at the shelter, and you have it plugged into the wall, everything's going good. It's plugged into the power supply, it's bringing the DC here, and it's powering the radio. Everything's great, but of course the power goes out, and now what do you do? Well, that's what this is good for. It's from our friend Dan from Paradigm Radio, and it's called the DC Gate 40+. What it does is, when it takes the power from here, it automatically charges your battery during the time that you're operating. When power goes out, because in a hurricane it is very likely to, it automatically puts it to battery power so you can still be operating. If power were to come back on a few hours later for some reason, that's great, and now it automatically re-puts it to the wall. So what we're going to be doing now is, the battery needs 14 volts to charge. This is only set at, what is it set at, Grace?
13.8.
Yeah, it's about at 13.8. So we need to raise it up. The thing is, when it goes through this stuff, it has about a 0.2, a little more actually, voltage drop. So we are going to be putting it somewhere around 14.25 volts. So that's what we're going to be doing now. So to start with, what we have to do is, there's a little hole here, and as we turn it clockwise to a screw that's in there attached to a variable resistor, you probably can't see it, but that's what's in there. As we turn it clockwise, the voltage will go up, and that's what we want right now. So I'll just have to carefully get in there. You have to very slowly turn it until it gets where you want it. I think that's as close as we're getting. It's really hard to get it exact, but it's over 14.2, so that's what we wanted. So that's it for now, but stay tuned for the next video that we'll be making, where we attach this to the shelf, and we're also going to be making stuff about the Messi and Poloni. So stay tuned for other videos on the GoBax 73.
73.
Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.
That's not the way this works. That's the way it